Welcome to Tribe Topper. We have MYP Math Criterion B. The second question: is the IQR, the interquartile range, a measure of central tendency or a measure of dispersion? So, what does the IQR tell you? See, we know that IQR, the interquartile range, is actually the difference between the 25th and the 75th percentile, or the first and the third quartile, as we call them. Hence, the interquartile range actually describes the middle 50% of the observations, which lie between the 25 and the 75 percentile. So, if the interquartile range is large, that would mean that the middle 50% of the observations are spaced wide apart. So, we can say that the IQR actually gives us the extent of variability, that how far is it spreading out. So, we would say it represents the measure of dispersion. I hope you got it that IQR is not a measure of central tendency, it is a measure of dispersion.